Hi everyone, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut some tape and put it in the back of my hand to take off the stickiness, and then I'm going to put that at the edge of my eyes so the eyeshadow can be more clean at the end of the makeup look. I'm going in with my Tarte Tartist Pro palette and take the shade Whimsy, which is that middle shade at the top, and put it all over my crease. I'm going to take the shade Edgy, which is that middle shade in the bottom row. I'm going to add that in my outer and also the inner parts of my lids. I'm taking Smoked, that dark brown shade at the top, and only add that to my outer lid because I don't want the inner lid to look too dark. I'm taking Whimsy, which is the first shade I used, and I'm going to blend everything together so that there are no harsh lines. I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero palette. I'm taking the color Forever Young, which is that middle one in the top row, and I'm going to add that to my middle lid to create that halo effect. Now I'm just going back and forth with the middle shade and the dark colors to make everything blend together. Now I'm going over where I feel needs more blending to make sure everything looks right. Now I'm taking off the tape to reveal that sharp line that I wanted. I did already have foundation on my face. I used my Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless foundation and just add more of that where the tape was. I'm taking the shade Glam and add that to my brow bone. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and highlight under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin, and blend that out with a wet beauty blender. To set everything, I'm going to use my Mercier loose setting powder and set everywhere I highlighted and the rest of my face. To bronze my face, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown bronzer powder. I didn't want to contour, so I'm using a little bit of that just to warm up my face. And use a little bit of my MAC powder blush in the color Raisin just to add a little bit of color. I'm using the dark brown shade from the palette to smoke out my lower lashes because I don't want to leave under my lashes bare. And I'm also going to use that lighter brown shade to blend everything out. The lashes I'm currently applying are my Vagas Nay Lashes by Eyeshadow in the style Easy Elegance. I'm using the highlighter shade Forever Young from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, which is the same shade that I used on my lid, and put that in my inner tear duct, and also use that as my highlight. Lastly, for my lips, I'm using my MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. And on top of that, I'm going to use my MAC lipstick in the color Whirl. And going over that again with Chestnut. So that's it. I'm going to change. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye.